In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Yahoo Mail attachments. To get started, open your favorite web browser and search for Yahoo Mail. In the search results, select the official Yahoo Mail link to go to the sign-in page. Sign in to your account as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll be in the new Yahoo Mail view, which includes a built-in attachment preview that makes printing documents quick and reliable. Next, locate the email that contains the document you want to print. This could be a PDF, a Word document, or another common file type. Click the email to open it. You should see the attachment listed in the message, often with a small thumbnail or a file icon. Click the attachment to open its preview. Give it a moment to load. Larger files, especially multi-page PDFs, may take a few seconds to display clearly. At the top of the preview window, look for the print icon, a small printer symbol. If you don't see it right away, look for a three-dot More Options menu. The print option is usually inside that menu. The controls can be on the upper right or upper left of the preview, depending on your screen size, so hover near the top edge of the preview to reveal them. Click the print icon. From here, one of two things typically happens. Your browser may immediately download the file to your computer, which is normal, and lets you open it in your default viewer for printing. Or your system's print window may appear, showing options like printer selection, pages, color, and orientation. Either outcome is expected, and both lead you to the same goal, getting a clean print of your attachment. A couple of quick tips can help if you run into hiccups. If nothing happens after clicking print, check for a pop-up blocker message near your browser's address bar and allow pop-ups for Yahoo Mail. If the preview looks fuzzy, use the zoom controls in the viewer to double-check the content before proceeding. And if you're using the classic layout instead of the new view, the attachment preview still offers a printer icon on its top bar, so the process remains essentially the same. Also note that some file types open in a web viewer while others trigger a download. That behavior is controlled by your browser and the file type. And that's it. You searched for Yahoo Mail, opened the official site, signed in, opened the email with the document, clicked the attachment to preview it, found the print control, and clicked print so the file could download or go directly to your printer. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!